All right, guys, another successful year has come and gone. 2018, this is going to be the year-end review. There was a lot of great special places that I got to go this year. A bunch of great new friends that I got to meet as well. This first one is Moab, Utah. The name says it for itself. We came out there in March of 2018, and it was the best weather, best riding conditions, and one of my best memories from 2018. Next on the list was the Into the Woods ride, which was held at the base of Mount Adams at a place called the Island Campground. This was a fundraising event for the Veterans Back 40 Adventure Program, which takes veterans on much-needed vacations using dual sport bikes. If you guys don't know about them, they're a 501c3 nonprofit. Check them out.
Mount Hood, Mount Adams, St. Helens, not high enough to see. Oh yeah, Rainier, right back there. Hopefully you guys can see it like I can see it.
Next was the Volcano ride put on by Giant Loop Moto out of Bend, Oregon. This was held near Paulina Peak. Although my bike was kind of putting out on me during this whole event, I still had a blast, and I used my vehicle to get me to other places. So I didn't put the event to a waste. After much traveling, I decided to pull off on the side of the road to this gym called Mayer State Park, and I boondocked it for the night. I was so exhausted. Luckily, I had a steak in the cooler, and I cooked it up and just relaxed for the rest of the night. One of the great things about Veterans Back 40 Adventures is they take people on great outdoor trips, and this was one of the trips. It was held at Gold Creek Lodge in Idaho. This event lasted for about 3 days, and if you guys don't know about Gold Creek Lodge, highly recommend you guys Googling it, checking it out. Give these guys some support. It's basically a ski lodge for dual sport motorcycles. If you guys are ever up that way, give these guys some support. There's not many of these type lodges out there. After a transfer to Tennessee, I immediately started looking for dual sport events in the area and came across the Southern Discovery Route Rally that was going to be held near Hole in Wall, Tennessee. I'd say approximately 200 people participated in this event. I was really surprised at how the event turned out and how much fun I actually had with me and my rest of my buddies. The Southern Discovery Route is held every year. If you guys are interested, check them out. Find them on Facebook at Tennessee Dual Sport. While visiting some family down in Georgia, I was told about this infamous route called the Georgia Traverse. If you're looking for a nice relaxing ride with everything under the sun, this is the route to go to. You got waterfalls, you got water crossings, you name it. This is a good route. If you guys actually haven't seen the video, check it out. I'll put it in the description as well. Most trails and routes are harder to find on the eastern coast compared to west coast, so this one is definitely a gem that you guys should check out. Last on the list is in Middle Tennessee. It is the Cheatham State Wildlife Management Area. Mainly hard-packed gravel roads. Some sections can be a little bit technical, but if you're looking for some good wildlife, this is a good area to check out. Really appreciate everybody staying tuned this year. Next year, we're going to try to make it just as awesome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Check us out on social media if you haven't already done that. And as always, special consideration is for Backcountry Adventure Motorsports and Veterans Back 40 Adventure. We'll see you guys on the next trail. Vintage out.